will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Pocket Option app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile, just click on it. You come to next here, then all you have to do, just click here on profile. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you come here to subscribe to education emails. Click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That means subscribe to education emails. Disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.